Nymeria, Oren, Pinki, Sky, Wenda, Chris, Sprunki, Incredibox.
We want a small house! I love you!
Wow, this new house is so beautiful, so many things!
What do you think?
This okay? Let's do it!
Okay.
I brought you a house frame, Tina.
Oh, thanks! Let's put the cardboard together to make a cabinet. Add the cabinet doors. Add the tabletop, and we're done! Mix these two colors together to make the Sprunki gray face. Press it down. Then cut out 2 ears. Decorate its face. Use a marker to draw a face. Next, use white, like me, to make Sprunki white. Decorate the ears and eyes.
Hey, Tina!
I'm okay. Let's see what's inside. Put it all in the cabinet. Use this cardboard to make a table. Make a purple table. You guys use this lid to make the table legs. Be careful with the knife. Give it a coat of black paint. Once the table is done, mix these 2 colors together to make a purple chair. Cut out the excess parts. Be careful with the scissors. Put the parts together to make a chair. Don't cry. Let me help you get over the pain.
Thank you very much!
Let's make a bed for Sprunki Pink. Fold the cardboard. Cover it with a red background. Cut off the excess. Be careful with scissors. Can I get a piece of cardboard from here, Cookie?
Okay, you take it.
I'll take this.
No!
This.
No!
This.
No!
This.
Okay, it's for you.
Thanks. I'll make a mattress. Cover it with a light pink background. Next, mix this clay to make a mattress for the bed. Roll it out. Cut off the excess and decorate it. Finally, put some makeup on it and you're done. Next, make a sprunky pink headboard. Cover it in pink. Add parts to its face. Next, make an orange bed. Add the bed an orange mattress.
I'll help you add.
That's not right. We have to rearrange it. Add ears and the rest.
This bed is so beautiful. I have to go to sleep.
Wake up! I love you.
Wow! I'll draw you to a picture.
Draw a picture.
Yes!
Use this paper to draw a picture. Guys, you can draw it yourself. Or you can ask someone else to draw it. Let's make a beautiful picture. Let's make a bathtub together. Let's decorate it with me. Let's make a blue swimming pool. Next, make a sprunky blue head. Let's decorate its face and put it in the pool. Let's use the straw to make a faucet. Haha! Use this to make a faucet stopper. Next, make a toilet. Mix these two colors together to make a TV. Let's follow the sprunky theme.
I found a blind bag, Tina. Open it and see what's in it.
Okay, let's open it together. Let's put them together to complete the sofa.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you.
Wow, this new house is so beautiful, so many things. I like it. Thank you for watching with me.